Dear student, welcome back to our NIVS home school. Hope you are safe and sound at home. This is Shiuly Saha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Light and English Home School morning shift. Dear student, today I am going to take your social science class for the student of class 2. Our today's topic is short question answer and fill in the blanks from chapter lesson 17. So student, let's get started our class. Student, from lesson 17, here are given two short question answer. Number 1, this chapter's name, population. 1, which problems are occurring because of the crowds? That means which problems are occurring because of the overpopulation? Answer, due to the crowd we are facing the shortage of food, water, houses, schools and jobs. Number 2, what is the area of Bangladesh? We know Bangladesh is a small country. By its area is about 1,47,570 square kilometer. So student, now I am going to repeat these questions. Number 1, which problems are occurring because of the crowds? Answer, due to the crowd we are facing the shortage of food, water, houses, schools and jobs. Number 2, what is the area of Bangladesh? Answer, Bangladesh is a small country. Its area is about 1,47,570 square kilometer. Now come to the second point, fill in the blanks. Here are given 4 fill in the blanks. We have to solve it. Number 1, Bangladesh is a dash country by area. We know Bangladesh is a small country by area. Small, S-M-A-L-L, small country by area. Number 2, the growth of population was very dash. Here we can write high, H-I-G-H. The growth of population was very high. Number 3, dash are overcrowded with people. We know transports, T-R-A-N-S, transports, P-O-R-T-S. Transports are overcrowded with people. Number 4, dash is the main occupation of village people. We know farming, F-A-R-M-I-N-G. Farming is the main occupation of village people. Student, you have to remember number 3 and 4. Here first one, transports are overcrowded with people. That means we will write capital. We will start these lines with capital letter. At the same way, number 4, farming, F will be capital letter, is the main occupation of village people. First letter of each sentence will be capital. Okay, and now small and high, it will be small letter. Okay, again I am going to repeat this, fill in the blanks. Number 1, Bangladesh is a small country by area. Number 2, the growth of population was very high. Number 3, transports are overcrowded with people. Number 4, farming is the main occupation of village people. Now come to the homework number. It will be 8 and topic will be same, short question answer and fill in the blanks. You have to learn these questions at home and do your homework and submit on next Saturday. Thank you all of you. See you in next class.